According to reports, a group of employees gathered outside the company gate after claims that their wages had not been paid. The company's security guard stood at the entrance, trying to maintain order as emotions ran high. In the confusion, several workers attempted to push through the gate to enter the premises. During the struggle, the large metal gate suddenly shifted and the guard became caught between its panels. The situation quickly escalated, forcing others nearby to step in and help free him. Thankfully, nearby bystanders reacted quickly and managed to free him. This incident shows how easily workplace disputes can become physical hazards when crowd control and safety measures are lacking. Security personnel should always maintain a safe distance from moving gates or barriers, and companies must ensure that conflicts are handled calmly and through proper communication channels. On a street, a young rider attempted a risky stunt on his motorcycle in the middle of the roadway. As he accelerated and lifted the front wheel, he lost balance and made contact with an oncoming vehicle. Fortunately, the boy escaped without serious injury. This event serves as a strong reminder that public roads are not meant for stunts or high-risk maneuvers. Performing tricks in uncontrolled environments not only endangers the rider, but also innocent road users. Riders should always follow traffic laws, wear protective gear, and practice responsible riding in designated closed areas if they wish to train or perform. In a factory in Russia, a bear cub accidentally wandered into the facility and ended up falling into a section containing waste materials. The cub was unable to climb out on its own, causing concern for both the animal's safety and the workers nearby. Factory employees quickly assessed the situation and improvised a solution using a sturdy wooden board. Working carefully together, they guided the cub onto the board and slowly helped it climb out of the waste area. Their calm, coordinated response prevented further stress or injury to the cub and ensured the safety of everyone involved. This incident highlights the importance of maintaining secure boundaries in industrial areas to prevent animals or unauthorized personnel from entering. It also emphasizes the value of teamwork, quick thinking, and using available tools safely to resolve unexpected hazards. By keeping equipment and waste areas well guarded and responding calmly to emergencies, factories can protect both workers and wildlife from preventable accidents. Inside a storage facility, 2 workers were transferring heavy bags from a storage stack onto a conveyor belt. The process was going smoothly. One worker lifted and positioned the bags, while the other, standing near the stack, helped him. However, as they continued, part of the stacked bags became unstable. Within seconds, several bags slid off the pile and fell toward the area where one worker was standing. The incident prompted an immediate review of how materials were stacked and handled within the facility. This event highlights the importance of maintaining proper stacking height, securing materials with stable support, and ensuring that no one stands directly beneath or beside elevated loads. Workers should inspect storage arrangements regularly and use mechanical aids or barriers when transferring materials. Simple precautions like keeping clear zones and using proper stacking techniques can make warehouse environments far safer for everyone. At a large steel manufacturing plant, workers were carrying out normal production when a sudden explosion occurred inside one of the processing units. The sound was powerful enough to draw attention across the facility. The emergency response team immediately activated alarms, and nearby workers were quickly evacuated. The event served as a wake-up call for the entire industry, reminding everyone that even well-managed plants must constantly monitor every component under extreme conditions. This incident highlights the critical need for regular equipment inspections, gas monitoring systems, and proper maintenance schedules in high-temperature industries. Every valve, pipeline, and furnace must be checked for leaks or pressure buildup before and during operation. Inside a factory, a worker moved close to a piece of machinery that was being lifted. The operation seemed routine. The machine was functioning normally, and everything appeared stable. But without warning, the lifted load lost balance and fell from its position, making contact with the nearby worker. This incident is a clear reminder that no one should stand or walk beneath or near an active lifting operation. All workers must stay within marked safe zones, and equipment operators should verify that areas are clear before any lift begins. At an auto repair shop in the United States, a vehicle was brought in for service. As the driver attempted to enter the workshop, the car experienced a brake malfunction. The vehicle moved forward uncontrollably and made contact with a worker who was nearby. This incident emphasizes the importance of always checking vehicles thoroughly before moving them inside a workshop. Workers should maintain a safe distance from vehicles in motion and ensure the use of wheel chocks, parking brakes, and clear communication when guiding vehicles. By combining vigilance, proper safety equipment, and teamwork, repair shops can prevent accidents and protect both staff and customers. At an amusement park, a male employee was performing his duties near an active ride. During operation, he entered a restricted area and was unexpectedly made contact with part of the moving attraction. The event deeply underscored how even a brief lapse in procedure can have serious consequences in high-speed environments like amusement parks. This incident highlights the importance of following all lockout and restricted area procedures around amusement rides. Staff should never enter active zones without confirmed communication with the control operator, and every ride should have clearly marked safety boundaries. Regular safety drills, visual barriers, and clear radio coordination can make the difference between a normal day and a tragic one. An airline employee was walking near the loading area when a ramp vehicle, used for ground operations, moved unexpectedly and made contact with him. Colleagues quickly intervened to stop the vehicle and check on his condition. This incident reminds all ground staff to stay alert around moving equipment. Clear communication, visibility gear, and strict speed limits on the ramp are essential to keeping everyone safe. In a recent event, a popular influencer known for showcasing experimental aviation technology attempted a live demonstration of a self-built gyrocopter. The flight was streamed online, drawing thousands of viewers who tuned in to witness the test. Initially, everything appeared to go as planned. The gyrocopter lifted off smoothly, gaining altitude and maintaining control. However, moments later, the gyrocopter's blades broke, causing the copter to fall to the ground and catch fire. The live broadcast ended abruptly, leaving viewers and the aviation community in shock. This incident serves as a powerful reminder that innovation and safety must always go hand in hand. Experimental aviation carries inherent risks that require extensive testing, adherence to aviation regulations, and professional supervision. Creators and enthusiasts should prioritize safety over content, ensuring that every piece of equipment is properly tested, inspected, and approved before flight. For viewers and inventors alike, it's important to understand that what looks exciting online may involve significant unseen dangers. Responsible innovation means balancing creativity with caution, because true progress comes not from taking reckless risks, but from learning, preparing, and respecting the limits of safety.